This is Harshit Kumawat, and in today's video I will tell you how I am improving my English with Alina Reis. And first of all, I am also not a certified trainer or professional speaker, but here I would like to tell you my strategy for improving my English. And this video is related to day-to-day activity, what I do. And let's start this video without further delay. And first of all, the thing which I do very frequently is observing people, because observing people is an art. And observing to those people who are better than you, and observing to those people who are very well speaker, and observing to those people who are confident at public speaking, it will help you a lot. Because our body and mind adapt those situation, or like those type of a character in our mind, that whatever we do on day to day basis. So when you observe people, it will help you a lot. And if here I take an example of Alina Reis only. So when she upload a video on the daily basis, that she speaks, she tell us about what are the issues related to English and how you can solve it. So I observe her, like totally I observe her, that how she is speaking, and what are the words, and how she is using those words, and what are the hand gesture, and what are the eye movement, what are the face expression. So observing these small steps will help you a lot. Because when you are like, if you are here at now, if you are here on this level, so when you observe, you will implement those situation or those gesture. So you will be here after some period of a time. So slowly you will go to upper level. So observing people will help you a lot. And at the second time, if you like, most of the time we are staying at home, and we all are watching Netflix. So basically, if you make a habit of watching American movies or American web series in English only, so it will help you a lot. Because in a web series, most of the time we like in a day we all watch a web series or movies only. And like basically we एक movies तो देखते ही हैं. So if we watch one movies in a day in English only, so basically we will get to know that how the different character are speaking, and how they are expressing their words, or feeling, or how they are expressing their thoughts. Because I already mentioned that our body and mind adapt to those situation, or those kind of a behavior which we regularly do. So watch those American English movies or web series only. In that you will get to know a lot of things. And second thing is, I read books. Basically I know you don't like to read books, but when you want to like learn something new, we have to learn from those who are good at those things. And English authors are best in that. In the beginning, I also like, I hate to reading, but when I get to know that what are the benefits of reading books, I started reading books. So in when the lockdown imposed in our country, I bought three books. One is from the Twinkle Khanna, and which is Pajamas for Giving. And the second is Peter Thompson, Your Way to the Your Way to the Top. And this is like, I can't read the author name, but this is also very famous. So basically you have to make a habit of reading books, and it will help you a lot. In a month, if you are reading 300 words, so definitely it is a fact that you will not remember all those all those words. In a day, after some period of a time, you will remember only 10 to 15 words only, and it is also maximum. So when you make this habit and implement in your life, it will help you a lot. And the third thing is start reading newspaper in loud. So basically what I do, I take a newspaper every day, and I take the Hindu newspaper only, because in this newspaper only on the point or the related news to business or economy, and there are no, like, not that much advertisement. And it is a fact that many students who are preparing for UPSC, they will take this Hindu only, the Hindu newspaper only, because in that there are less advertisement, and to the news are very related to economy and business, and what is happening around the world. So I take a newspaper in the morning, when like around 6 to like around 7, in 7 in the morning, and I start reading in loud, because in my room I'm only the person who is living. And most in the morning you can, if you like living with your family, so you can go your like outside your house or upper on the terrace, so you can read like in a loud, Manchester United Marcus Rashford winds up the score winner against PSG. I start like I speak like I read in loud, so it will help me a lot in generating, like in creating confidence at public speaking, because when those words are at your tongue, so you will like on the tongue, so at that time like any word which comes newly for you, so at the tongue it will not sleep. So basically you have to basically you have to start reading newspaper in the loud. I think 15 to 20 minutes if you read newspaper, and that will help you a lot in maintaining your confidence at public speaking or at anywhere, because when you speak, and that will help you a lot. So good thing is that when you make these things in your to do list or day to day activity, surely it will improve you. Even if you improve 5% or 10%, then people will notice you around you. So people will ask you that what are the what are you doing for improving, and like what, how you are learning. So they will ask they will definitely ask lots of question, and that the moment for you, that is a solid you can say motivational moment for you, that and you will inside laugh when they will ask that what are the special things you are doing. But you will give an answer only that I am doing by practice only. So at the same situation, I started this YouTube channel, and today I started this YouTube channel, and after a period of a certain time, I will have a, God bless me, I will have a 10,000 subscriber. So first of all, that moment around me or my friend will my friend and my relative will definitely ask that what you did or how you learned the YouTube. But I only have answer, I did by practice only. So I think that's all about this I do for improving my English day to day activity. So thank you guys. If you are new at this channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button.